Apple David. I'm 22 years old, 5 feet 4 inches tall. I do have Twitter and Instagram, parehong @AppleDavid. Tatlong P yun, make sure. APPPLE David. I do courtside reporting for the PBA and yeah, PBA games on radio also. My interest, I like sports, basketball in particular. I like working out, watching movies, hanging out with friends. I used to play volleyball, competitive volleyball when I was in high school. I love sports because it's exciting. I mean, marami kang mararamdaman na emosyon sa sports eh. Parang paiba-iba. Minsan action, minsan may mga nakakatawang nangyayari sa sports, yung mga story behind, not just the sport itself, pero yung story behind the players, very inspiring. So, ang daming aspects ng sports na talaga mahuhook ka. Favorite food? Well, hindi man halata, pero hindi ako masyado talagang kumakain. Pero favorite, I like Japanese food. Any Japanese food. Go ako doon. What keeps me fit? I do CrossFit. I do boxing. And then, of course, I try my best to eat healthy. Although, weakness ko yung sweets, pero still, I eat healthy. I make sure I get enough sleep, kung kaya, as much sleep as I can. Gusto ko yung mga lalaking athletic. Siyempre, yung matangkad. Gusto ko yung maganda yung smile. Importante sa akin yung smile. Una ko napapansin, it's either yung mata or yung smile. Gusto ko yung parang kinakausap ako. And then, dislikes, ayoko yung mga masyadong presko and overconfident or yung masyadong mataas yung tingin sa sarili nila. And ayoko rin nung masyadong insensitive na guys. So, mapapanood nyo ako every PBA game day and also tune in sa Radyo 5 92.3 News FM. Nagre-report din ako dyan for the PBA games.
Gusto ko lang na paalala sa inyo lahat na sensitive akong tao. Sensitive ako. Napaka-sensitive ko tao. Ladies and gentlemen, ang ating calendar girl for the year, Apple David! Grabe!
Guys, please do download ang August calendar sa sports5.ph. Even yung mga previous din, yung kila Carla before, please do download that and samahan niyo ako at maging maganda ang inyong August.
Uy! Ang tindi na nag-edit nun. Try. Iba ka. Alright, of course, pwede na natin i-mention to. This happened a while ago and actually over the past couple months, yung medyo nagkaka-war of words itong si Ronda Rousey at si Floyd Mayweather, no? Kasi nagsimula to na sabi ni Ronda Rousey nung nanalo siya ng SP na, wow, finally a woman beat Floyd Mayweather dahil nga sa may allegation siya na he was going through a case na may domestic violence siya. So this was her way of standing up for the women that were hurt by that. And then nagsagutan. It ended up with Floyd Mayweather saying when she earns 300 million in 36 minutes, then we can talk. Ang bigat. Ang bigat. Pero sumagot naman ang UFC, sabi nila, she don't need 12 rounds. And there was a video of her not even ending round number 1. So check that out on Twitter. Before we move on, of course, speaking of Twitter and social media,
yes.
Ito, nag-trending to. Spotted.
Ayan.
In the Estados Unidos. Ayan! Uy! Ayan yan! Jessica!
Golden Gate Bridge yan.
Oo. Ang ganda ng view dyan.
Golden Gate Bridge.
Sa may Batangas.
Tsaka yung mga bato-bato magaganda yung mga bato.
Tsaka tubig.
Tsaka parang okay yung weather, no?
Uy, tsaka si Erika yun ah. By the way, si Erika yata yun.
Golden Gate Bridge.
Ano yung hashtag?
Jeffrica. Naku, kay Erika, mag-enjoy ka lang dyan sa States. Kami ni Carla bahala dito. Take your time.
Bakit? Parang ayaw pabalikin.
Wala.
Gusto lang namin ma-enjoy niya yung bakasyon.
We're just good friends.
Ayaw pabalikin. Parang ayaw.
Erika, bumalik ka na. Get well soon as well para kay Miss Mela Tunay ang ating kasama dito. Hindi pa tayo tanong mo kayo kung tunay in a while. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Before we head on out, batian portion tayo, Coach Javi.
Hello sa lahat ng mga taga Bohol, mga taga Amarela Resort, and also my family.
Our Volley Bells. Then?
Kay mami ko sa Leyte, daddy ko, kuya, and mga kamag-anak.
before the family sa Bacolod, and sa mga Gotesco girls sa Kalawarwar, and sa mga friends ko na nasa Bugog, sila Maymay. Yan lang.
Imagine it.
Hello. Gusto ko po mag-thank you kay Ma'am Pamplona and kay Coach Luzara po, and sa professor ko po kay Ma'am Marilu Lieno. And hello po sa family ko, I love you all. And sa friends ko po, and sa mga teammates ko, good luck po sa games natin. Thank you po.
Wait lang, may pahabol ako para sa girls natin. Last question. Tingin niyo ba si Aaron boyfriend material?
Yun!
Huling fill in the blanks.
Yes.
Hindi pala, yes or no lang pala.
Oo nga eh. Right, bakit naman?
Drum roll, drum roll.
Benchwarmers, ayusin nyo.
Si Aaron ba ay boyfriend material?
Bakit naman hindi?
Yun!
Ayun na!
Yes! Thank you, Lars! Sabi ko sa'yo eh! Carla, baka may babatiin ka. Wala?
May gusto ko batiin?
Wala?
Sorry
Wala?
Nagulat lang ako.
Gulat ka
I
sa
just want to say hi to my parents. Ha?
Gulat ka sa sagot nila?
Hindi.
Okay. Okay, alright, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Apple, ikaw.
Yeah, gusto kong batiin yung family ko and lahat ng relatives ko sa Pampanga. Hello!
Ako, gusto ko batiin po lahat na nanonood ngayon. Thank you so much for joining us on yet another episode of Sports 360. For Ramon Jojo naman, wala po dito. To Jeffrica, who's in the States. To Mela, who is still in recovery. For Carla, Apple, Coach Javi, our volleyballs, Coach Asito, Lava, of course, ating benchwarmers, ako po si Erna tayo, lahat ng mumuna Sports 5. Thank you so much, benchwarmers! Una poca de gracia para mi